What did you have for lunch today? A tasty sandwich? Maybe some yummy fruit? When you eat, your food goes on an amazing journey through your body. This journey is called digestion, and it's how your body turns food into energy. Think of your favorite food. Imagine it like a superhero, ready for an adventure. It's about to go on a wild ride through the digestive system. First stop, the mouth. Get ready to learn all about the digestive system. From chewing to, well, let's just say the very end of the journey. It's going to be a fascinating trip. Your mouth is like a busy factory, bustling with activity every time you eat. It's the first stop on the digestive journey, where the magic begins. When you take a bite, your teeth get to work, chomping and grinding the food into smaller pieces. But teeth aren't alone in this process. Saliva, that watery stuff in your mouth, joins the team. It's produced by your salivary glands and plays a crucial role. Saliva helps soften the food, making it easier to chew and swallow. It acts like a natural lubricant. It even starts breaking down some of the food right there in your mouth. Enzymes in saliva begin the digestion of carbohydrates. Chewing is important because the smaller the pieces, the easier it is for your body to digest. The more you chew, the better. It's like cutting up a big tree into smaller logs for firewood. Smaller pieces burn more efficiently, just like smaller food pieces are digested more easily. So next time you eat, remember the amazing teamwork happening in your mouth. Your teeth and saliva are the unsung heroes of digestion. Once your food is all chewed up, it's time for a fun slide down the esophagus. The esophagus is like a long, stretchy tube connecting your mouth to your stomach. When you swallow, a special flap called the epiglottis closes over your windpipe, making sure the food goes down the right pipe. Down the food goes, riding a wave of muscle contractions called peristalsis. It's like a water slide for your food. The esophagus doesn't digest food, it just acts as the transportation system to the next stop, the stomach. Section 4. The acid bath stomach time. Welcome to the stomach, where the real magic of digestion begins. Hold on tight, because the stomach is like a big sloshy washing machine. It churns and tosses the food around, making sure everything gets mixed up properly. The stomach has strong muscles that churn and mix the food with special juices called gastric juices. These muscles work tirelessly to ensure that the food is broken down efficiently. Gastric juices are super powerful. They contain enzymes and acids that are essential for breaking down the food into smaller, more manageable pieces. They contain acid that breaks down the food even further, like a powerful cleaning solution. This acid is strong enough to dissolve the food into a semi-liquid form. Don't worry, the lining of your stomach is designed to handle this acidic environment. It has a special mucus layer that protects it from being damaged by the acid. The stomach is a tough worker, turning your food into a thick liquid called chyme. This process ensures that the nutrients in the food are ready to be absorbed in the next stage of digestion. Once the chyme is ready, it's time for the next stage of the journey, the small intestine. Here, the chyme will be further broken down and absorbed into the bloodstream. Section 5. The long and winding road, small intestine and beyond. Get ready for a long ride because the small intestine is like a really long and winding road. This part of your digestive system is where the magic really happens. As food travels through this winding path, it undergoes further breakdown, making it easier for your body to absorb all the good stuff. Actually, if you stretched out an adult small intestine, it would be about 22 feet long. That's like the length of a small bus. Imagine all that packed inside your belly, working tirelessly to keep you nourished. In the small intestine, more digestion happens with help from the pancreas and liver. These organs release special juices that break down food into even smaller pieces, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. But here's the really important part. This is where your body absorbs most of the nutrients from your food. Tiny finger-like structures called villi line the walls of the small intestine, increasing the surface area to maximize nutrient absorption. These nutrients then enter your bloodstream and are transported to various parts of your body. The leftover waste that your body doesn't need travels to the large intestine, where water is absorbed. This process helps to form solid waste, which is easier for your body to expel. Finally, the remaining waste is stored in the rectum until it's ready to leave the body through the anus. This is the final step in the digestive process, ensuring that your body gets rid of what it doesn't need. And that's the epic journey of your food. From the moment you take a bite, your body works hard to break it down, absorb the nutrients, and get rid of the waste. From your mouth to your stomach and beyond, digestion is an incredible process that gives your body the energy it needs to learn, play, and grow. So next time you eat, remember the amazing journey your food takes to keep you healthy and strong.